Alrighty, we're using the new camera here. We're going to take a shot of the Camaro. I'm going to do a little zooming in, zooming out. I'm out all the way. Kind of cool, kind of cool. Lighting, not so cool. Let me get up here and see what changes. Now I'm going to know it's a video no-no, but I'm going to zoom in for sake of picture. And I'm going to walk back and zoom out. And then I'm going to frame it and take a photo. Got it on auto, so we'll see what happens. Says green.